Hello and welcome to this podcast. I have with me Dr. Roy, Associate Professor from Indian Statistical Institute, and is a very well-known public figure. Especially his work reflects into behavior and statistics connection. Today, I have requested him to specially give time and talk about role of statistics in this particular pandemic situation. Welcome, Dr. Roy. Welcome in this podcast. And without wasting much of the time here in the podcast, I'll request you to start with your impressions and your thoughts about what is the role of statistics in this particular pandemic situation.
Thank you, Professor Parigar, for this question. Now, we have to understand what is statistics.
Yes.
So, statistics is not the instrument. Statistics is not mere data collection, but statistics is the description of the data. Statistics explores the latent meaning of the data. Statistics provides the knowledge about the prediction of the data. Currently, people are very much worried related to the COVID-19 attack. Now, this worry, that is also due to the statistics provided by the mass media, especially the TV or television, and other like
print media,
Facebook, like Twitter or something.
Right.
Now, this worry or the anxiety related to the health, it varies.
Okay.
Over the time.
Okay.
When in March, possibly in March, our Prime Minister has declared complete lockdown. At that time, people were confused. But the statistics and the role of mass media related to the awareness among the people about the death, especially in China, Italy. People are gradually trying to understand what is happening or what would happen. But they have no idea about the consequence, etc. And we have noticed that also provides lot of information and all the information related to the statistics of attack. So how many people are attacked by the COVID?
Right. You mean to say WHO is
giving? Yes. At that time, date is not very much important there. There may be the attack. And now we are thinking of the three statistics. So initially the statistics mainly focus on the attack rate. Now we are classifying the statistics based upon three parameters. One is the attack rate, another one is the recovery rate, another one is the death rate. And our behavioral pattern, it varies based upon the statistics. For example, in Kerala, before the Onam, the attack rate is very low. Attack rate was very low. Okay.
Yeah.
Naturally, the death rate that is also low.
Yes.
So people assume that the corona is not the major issue in Kerala.
Yeah.
And we have assumed that since the literacy level in Kerala very high,
yes,
therefore people are very much aware, and they will maintain all sorts of hygienic
conditions,
behavior, etc.
Okay.
But after the Onam,
yes,
we have noted that is the high rate, very high rate. That means this statistical information provides us new knowledge about the restriction over the different festivals, puja, etc.
Okay.
Now in Bengal, we are going to start our Durga Puja festival.
Yes.
And people are worried very much.
Yes.
And again, this statistical report in Kerala. So this statistical report is now available in almost all the social media, especially where you will find that is the Bengali people. They have contributed their messages.
Okay.
So here we have noted that is the statistics is related to the change in attitude, change in the behavioral pattern, change in the mindset, change in the temperament. So statistics plays critical role. Another issue is that is in Bengal, especially in Kolkata, I have noted that is many people do not use the mask.
Okay.
Now, why? Because they have death rate is lower than the attack rate. Again, the recovery rate is closer to the attack rate.
Oh, okay.
So the death rate is low. Therefore, people have this resilience capacity. That is for the economic purpose. They have to move here and there, and using mask is not possible for them.
Okay.
Therefore, what happens?
Yes.
That is the people who are basically the
workers.
What I can say, that is basically the shopping mall going, etc. They have started. Going to the shopping mall, etc. And you have noted that is this purchasing of shoes or slippers in the Sri Leather. That is a very famous company. Sri Leather, that is viral now. Now it has some marketing value because possibly the Sri Leather has created this advertisement and it is viral. So with respect to the Bata India, so their performance is better. So that might be another viral factor. I do not know. But whatever the thing, the statistics actually changes everything. So statistics is the part of our life. And whenever we are thinking that is after the puja, possibly the attack rate will be very high. Just like Onam.
Okay.
Attack rate will be very high.
Oh.
And then there is a high possibility
Okay.
for the death of doctors, nurses, and the service providers, specifically the health service providers.
Oh, okay.
That possibility will be high.
Okay.
And of course, the virus transmission among the non-hospital zones, that will be high.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So that is the prediction.
Okay. Okay.
So this is my feeling.
Right.
That statistics is part and parcel of the public life. Statistics is a part and parcel in public life.
Okay.
And statistics guides our mindset.
Yeah.
Statistics guides our mindset. Statistics guides our attitude.
Okay.
Okay. And statistics make some prediction.
Okay.
And based upon the prediction, people are making different type of decisions in their life.
Okay.
Especially during the pandemic situation.
Right, sir. Right.
So this is my observation.
Yeah. Yeah. I want to add some more questions in this discussion. That is how this data, statistical data collected by Indian organizations, health organizations, government organizations, especially how have you observed that government is responding to the data which is collected and compared to the norms of WHO and our Indian bodies, hand in hand, how effectively use of statistics now is done in India with respect to handling the situation of pandemic?
Okay. Now there are two types of statistics. One is the hard statistics, another one is the soft statistics.
Okay.
Okay. Especially the social science data, the psychologists, they are collecting the soft statistics.
Right.
Okay. But the death, the mortality, etc., that is the hard statistics.
Right.
So the statistics has one limitation, that is the data veracity. So if there is data veracity, then statistics cannot give you the accurate data.
Okay.
Provided the researcher can correlate this data with some other data.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So that is the important part. Otherwise, controlling the data veracity is very difficult.
Okay. Okay.
Another one, that is the big data. Whenever the researcher will follow the big data, I think then this type of problem can be resolved.
Okay.
So this is my perception.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, for a common man, when all of a sudden a lot of data started coming in from media, government orders, and police protection also, and restrictions, all people are not trained in statistics, so they could not interpret numbers and description of reality. But now people have started using in their own way, without not much formal knowledge of statistics, and now they are making, as you said, choices and decisions. Okay. So now, do you feel that in this process also, like developing a new judgment after all this, troubles, statistics can really help a common man also, an individual also, and try to control the health situation and come out of it?
Okay. For the common people, the statisticians, they are following the information, education, communication. Okay, IEC. So they are providing the statistics based upon the different graphical plots,
right,
or the data visualization tools.
Okay.
So they are giving the data visualization tools, and based upon the data visualization tools, the common man can easily understand.
Okay.
Okay. Now, for example, when you are using the numbers, so you are using comma.
Okay.
Okay. Now the size of the numbers, that provides some information to the common man about the rate of attack rates, hit rate, etc.
Okay.
So when they find that is the death rate within the 4 digits, and when the attack rate with more than 4 digits, so they can easily identify.
True.
Yeah.
So that guides and gives direction.
Visualization technique.
Right.
This is simple. This is not the data visualization, but it is very primitive data visualization technique. But there are a lot of the graphical distributions, and especially our institute, Avindic Psychotherapy Research Institute Trust, is providing this type of knowledge, these data visualization techniques, and especially the infographics. So we are providing different knowledge about the infographics based upon the data that we have collected. So that is the approach. So
Can you highlight some?
We are limited to the informatics, or the big data mining,
But
based upon the big data mining, we are developing the infographics.
Got it.
So, yes.
Can you highlight some activities of Ravindra Psychotherapy Center's approach in this pandemic and all the activities you conducted? Please give some.
Thank you. Actually, the Avindic Psychotherapy Research Institute Trust is propagating the vision of Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore, he has given importance on the Sargin methodology. When he was Jamindar, in Shilaidaho, now it is in Bangladesh. So at that time, Rabindranath Tagore has given special importance on the Sargin methodology. And Tagore also influenced Professor Prashanta Chandra Mahalanobis. He is the father of Indian statistics.
I know.
Okay. Now, another, so because Rabindranath Tagore vision, especially on the data quality, I am very much influenced with this system. Another area, so our institute has 2 broad areas. One is research methodology, statistics, data analysis. Another side is different type of counseling and therapeutic techniques, tools, etc. So we have now music therapy, we have now story therapy, dance therapy, career counseling course. Recently we have started environmental science, and we are going to start the forensic psychology very soon. And related to the data analysis, we have done some mathematical modeling of Rabindranath Sangeet, and mathematical modeling of the Rabindranath dance, Kathak dance. So we are doing this type of research also.
Okay. That's great.
These are our broad visions.
What I want to further know is, in this particular situation now, whatever we are facing out, in the coming year or coming days, can you highlight the features of our health policy, and again role of statistics especially in our newly to be formed health policy for future, because we had paid a very high price of all many such factors in last 6 to 8 months, good and bad both also.
Okay. Now you will find almost LSNE and also the big industries. So they are collecting different type of statistical data.
Yes.
And especially they are giving importance on the data mining.
True.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That means how many people buy what type of products, etc.
Yeah. Okay.
And what is the cost approximately.
Yeah.
So all these things everything is now available in social media.
Right.
So big data, if you can follow the big data, so you can tap the data.
Right.
And after that, you can give the prediction in near future.
Right.
You can control your rates, especially the purchasing rate and other things.
Okay.
And that is possible.
Yeah. When it comes to public health, do you see any major changes into public health policy and again role of our census and survey and health related data collection also in near future?
Yes, related to the public health, there is a concept, there is a health informatics. Again, that is related to the big data. So health related big data. So that means all the hospitals will be joined. Right. Only to get the data.
True.
So how many people visited, and how many people recovered, and what type of medicine and what type of health services were provided. Right. And how long. All those data are very important, specifically in health-related policy making in the context of this COVID-19 attack.
Yeah. Statistically, one very important question. When can we say that this particular pandemic is now over? Now we need not bother about the data. Now it is over. What will be that situation statistically? When can you say that?
Okay, if there is no pandemic, two things will happen.
Okay.
One is in some situation, again the COVID attack started.
Okay.
Or maybe some other virus.
Okay.
Because this experience may develop some health anxiety. Another one, that is the resilience capacity. So many people may think that is since there is no COVID like that, so I can again I can regress to my earlier life, to earlier lifestyle.
Oh, okay.
So that possibility is there. But again, the only intervening factor is the second type of COVID attack or some other virus attack.
Okay.
Now, people who are not aware about the chemical warfare, this corona issue especially highlighted that there is a high chance for the chemical warfare.
Okay.
Instead of artillery or etc.
Okay.
Chemical warfare, that possibility is there.
Okay.
So people are now aware of this chemical warfare.
Okay.
Earlier we have no idea about the chemical warfare.
Right.
This biological warfare, we do not have some idea. But now we have developed this idea that this is also possible.
True.
Then what will happen? People may not take the long-term goal. People will be motivated to the short-term goal.
True. Okay.
So they will save the money for their future.
Right.
Instead of the direct investment. So the investment rate that will be low.
Okay.
Due to this anxiety.
all over
share market,
yeah,
etc.
yeah,
There will be a rapid downfall.
Sure. All over the world, it is observed that it has a ripple effect or cascade effect. So many interdependent things have fallen down. So, in talking terms of economic recovery, many are referring to the V-shaped recovery. And I want your comment on that. Many people are interpreting that for India, we being more into the agricultural domain, we are recovering with the V-shaped style. What is your opinion about it?
My opinion, that is for the economic recovery, attention should be paid to the small-scale industries.
Okay.
Because if you depend upon the special economic zone or these large-scale industries,
sure,
I don't think there will be good future.
Okay.
Maybe the company profit will be high, etc. But the employment generation, that possibly will be low. That possibility will be low.
Okay.
So if the government is not able to generate more employment, so there will be the total chaos.
Oh, yes. Now to conclude, finally, I would like to request you that what could be the mission statement for all the students of statistics and people who believe in the power of statistics to follow in next coming years? Like as a senior authority in this field, what would you advise these people? How one should go with statistics in the future?
My specific advice, especially the people, they are statisticians. There are some people, they are statisticians, so they will concentrate on the derivation of the different statistical tools, modification of the tools, etc.
Okay.
But the common people, they are not very much aware of these statistical tools, statistical models.
Right.
So this is my suggestion. That is the data visualization techniques, especially 7 basic tools that should be provided to the common people.
Okay.
Common people means the college students basically.
Right.
So that the college students will be aware to apply the statistics in their regular life.
Okay.
So this is my view, especially the central tendency, number one. Number two, variability is very important. Third one is the skewness, kurtosis, normal distribution, specifically the outlier detection. Positive skewness, negative skewness, correlation.
Yeah.
And the chi-square.
Right.
So rank order correlation or correlation, etc. Up to this is okay for the common students.
Right.
But the students who will be advanced level, for them the bivariate statistics and the multivariate statistics are very important.
Okay.
In association with the different data visualization tools.
Okay.
And you know that is our Abhinji Psychotherapy Research Institute is providing different type of statistical tools, models, etc.
Okay.
And sometimes we are providing the data analysis support.
Oh, yes.
So if the student has good data, and student is interested to analyze the data, we can take some money and then we can provide the data analysis support, and the money will be disbursed to the students who will learn the data science.
Oh, okay. So it has a social objective to re-support students.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is our social objective.
Sure.
So we can help our students so they can earn and they can learn.
Okay. That's it. Okay.
So this is our approach.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for giving your valuable time. Thanks a lot. Thank you.